guys, it's December, Christmas time is here, and I'm back for a couple weeks. Anyhow, today I'm back with an Amy Lee inspired look. Someone posted pictures of Amy in a concert, I don't know what concert it was, on Facebook. And when I saw the makeup, of course I fell in love with it because it's red eyeshadow. I love red eyeshadow. I have for many years. Yes, I had to recreate that look and make a tutorial. Someone did suggest that I should make a tutorial for it, and I was like, sure, yeah, of course. So this is it. This is what my result is. So if you want to see how to go about doing this look, keep watching. This tutorial I used the Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette, vibrant red eyeshadow from Coastal Scents, and the pigment that I have, my trusty Maybelline concealer, some silver glitter, and this Wet n Wild glitter, which is more like a cream, and Clay Crush lipstick from Maybelline, and Milani lip liner in Naturel. Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara from L'Oreal, Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil, and Black Radiance liquid eyeliner pencil in black. Here are all the brushes I used listed out. Alright, let's begin. Starting with the concealer. We're going to apply it all over the eyelid. Underneath as well. And then we're going to pat it down. Okay, we're going to take a big shadow brush and we're going to go into vibrant red or any red matte eyeshadow that you have, and we're going to gently pat it on the eyelid. We're only going slightly above the crease and in a little bit towards the inner part of the eyebrow. We're making like a dome shape. Now with a blending brush, we're going to blend out those edges. Okay, I'm going to go into the red pigment. You don't have to do this, but I needed more red. And with a small shadow brush, I just patted on the red pigment. We're going to bring it underneath as well. And we're going to blend again with a blending brush. Now taking a pencil eyeliner, we're going to create a thick line. We are lining the whole circumference of the eye. Now with a smudge brush, we're going to spread this eyeliner out a little bit, still staying below the crease. Back with the small domed eyeshadow brush, we're just going to smudge the edge a little bit. Okay, with the smudge brush, we're going into black, and we're going to pat it over the eyeliner. Back with the blending brush, and we're gonna do a little more blending. Now taking the liquid eyeliner, we're just gonna create a straight line along the lash line. Taking the Wet n Wild glitter. You can also use Vaseline for this. And we're just gonna apply it where we want the glitter to be. Now I'm taking a glitter brush. You can use your finger as well. And then dipping it into the glitter and just patting it on. And then smearing it on. Mascara time. We're gonna do the top lashes. And the outer corner of the bottom lashes. Now with a small pencil brush, we're just gonna apply a little more red underneath. And lip time. Line the lips. And then apply the lipstick. The look is complete. Alright guys, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, that you like it. Don't forget to give my video that thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Welcome to those of you who have been showing up while I was off and I hadn't uploaded any videos. Welcome to my channel. I've gotten some very nice comments from new people and I really appreciate it. Thank you for that. Yeah, so don't forget guys, as always, rock on. I'm back for 2 weeks. I took the whole month of November off because I needed it. I really needed that time off. I was getting very tired and yeah, it's just a lot, you know? I have a lot to do and even though I love doing the makeup tutorials, sometimes it's just a lot of detail work and that's exhausting for me personally. But I'll be here this week and the following week and then I'm gonna take off again and I'll be back I think in January after, you know, winter break. I'll be back. The holidays, I like to slow down. I'm gonna slow down and spend more time with my family and spend more time, like, I don't know, in life. Because I know a lot of people are not aware, but YouTube and Instagram and, you know, responding to comments and checking for comments and checking for, I don't know, just doing the whole YouTube and Instagram thing and Facebook thing can be very time consuming. I don't think any people, unless you are a YouTuber, you do realize how much time this takes and why, yeah, why it just becomes your life. But for me, I have a life aside from it, so it's just, sometimes I need a break. So yeah, but I'm here for now and I'm glad. I do feel re-energized. I don't know if you can tell that I feel re-energized and like, oh. One more thing I did want to mention to you guys and to those of you who watched this last part, it's pretty important to me. I just want to put it out there to make you guys aware. I keep my channel free of negativity in the comments, especially because that's where it's mostly a target, you know, where it's like available for people to just bleh. So I make it a point to be very positive and kind on my channel and in my videos and the way I express myself towards you guys. And yeah, I don't allow any negativity. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. It's very important to me to keep it light, to keep it good and kind and positive, because there's just too much, there's already enough negativity all over social media. Everywhere you look, there's always someone angry, someone putting someone else down. And, you know, wherever I can control, like, I'm not having any of it. So if I do sniff out any negativity in the comments, any judgment, any condemnation, because people are very condemning towards others, and anything like that, it's just gonna get turned off and it's gonna get removed, or I'll turn the comments off for the video. And I know that's a bummer for people, you know, when you want to say something nice, but if you do want to say something nice, my Instagram is available for you guys to follow me there, or even my Facebook. So yeah, I wanted to make sure to point that out to you guys, so you know that I am drawing a line. I am drawing a hard line. There is no negativity allowed, and I will filter through and go see, you know, what's up. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that, because I want this to be a place where you guys can feel, you know, it has good energy, and it's positive and kind. Like, kindness is definitely top of my list here. That's why I try to respond, or just acknowledge your comments, you know, acknowledge all the kind comments. I try to reciprocate kindness towards you guys. Yeah, but I just wanted to let you know, because I think it's very, very important to be positive and not to be, you know, angry. It's not good for anybody to be angry and to be negative. Negativity only begets more negativity, and it's something that can really crush people's spirit. So for me, it's very important to be the opposite, to be good, to be kind and smile, and yeah. Just wanted to let you guys know that, so you're aware of where I stand and what is important to me.